So if you're in crypto every single day, I know exactly what's going through your head. This is crazy. Like, what is happening right now? Why are altcoins getting demolished? Yet Bitcoin has been chilling around 95,000 for basically all of 2025. Yet Solana's getting crushed, major altcoins getting hammered, and not even sideways action. Like, it's going down. Well, I'm going to give you guys my thoughts and opinions on this. And listen, nobody has a crystal ball, but I think I've got a pretty good grasp on what's going on right now. And hopefully by the end of this video, you'll take this information and devise your plan. That's my goal with this video, that you take this information. You don't, have to subscribe to everything I say, but subscribe to the channel so you know what I'm putting out there. But hopefully you use this information to formulate your plan, to have your strategy in place, because I've got a pretty interesting idea on what's happening. So let's take a look at the overall market right now. And, we have some cryptos up, nothing crazy. I mean, just kind of some outliers here. The rest of the market's down 3%. We're sitting still barely over a $3 trillion market cap. Bitcoin basically has been hovering here for a while now. I know a lot of people freaking out about 93.9 here. I mean, we basically came down to 92.4, 92.6 a couple different times. So as long as we don't breach that, honestly, I'm not too concerned with this. This is the last year for Bitcoin. And of course, we went up to 109,000, setting our new all-time high, which was back in late January. Crazy to think about this. It was literally like a month ago. So what's going on? Like, what is actually happening here? Well, I'm going to give you guys what I think. I think Bitcoin is getting manipulated right now. The powers that be are trading within this tight range to 93,000 to 100,000. They're earning a ton of money. And anytime they can wipe out long positions, they're wiping them out, and they're coming back in and they're scalp trading. They're earning that 2, 3, 4% with big dollars. That could be a lot of money. I think that's happening right now, especially with the ETFs and all the institutional money pouring into Bitcoin. People are electing to go to Bitcoin over everything else. We are missing the retail investor right now in all of crypto. And the retail that's here, they're chasing meme coin after meme coin after meme coin, and they're getting wrecked and getting wrecked and getting wrecked again. That is the nature of kind of retail right now. We don't have retail investors interested in, Solana as an asset, Cardano, Chainlink, Stellar, Sui, Avalanche, Hedera. We're just not at that point in the cycle yet. And a lot of it has to do with Ethereum being down, because usually how cycles go is this. It goes from Bitcoin to Ethereum to major altcoins, then down to meme coins. This has been all over the place because retail's been shaken out through, obviously, the pandemic, through FTX, through negative sentiment. People are struggling in their everyday lives. And the entire altcoin market, really the meme coin market, is so watered down right now that it's a mess. It's an absolute mess. And the turning point is going to happen when big money starts flowing into Ethereum and real retail money starts coming back into crypto. And that is when we'll see a real altcoin season. Now, nobody can say exactly when this is going to happen. We might get a little bit of a pop here, early in 2025. Then I could see it getting boring and then popping big time late 2025. That's exactly what happened back in 2021. If you still subscribe to, the 4-year cycles, which a little bit different now with ETFs. And then we have Trump coming in, like a whole new regime change, a lot of changes, people interested with tariffs. They don't know what's going to happen. We're waiting on all of these good things to kind of actually come to fruition with David Sachs and their committee and Bitcoin strategic reserves. We're kind of just in this weird place right now in crypto. But I will say this, I'm not going anywhere right now. I am staying in this market. I firmly believe that 2025, at some point, we're going to have some really good days, and we're going to have a run in which we make money on our high conviction plays. Now, a lot of my portfolio is still in Bitcoin, still in Ethereum, still in XRP, still in a lot of these top assets. I'm not doing a lot of risky trading or risky investing or, jumping and aping into new launches right now. It's just not the season. It's not that I hate meme coins. I still like meme coins, and I'll get in them if there's a good opportunity. But I'm being very, very careful right now with anything new, any kind of meme coin trade. And if I am going to go in, I'm going to go in very, very lightly and nothing crazy. So at the end of the day, this time period for me is the time to make sure my portfolio is positioned in a way where I think when we get a 4, 5, 6 month run up with altcoin season, a full-fledged real altcoin season, that I can take full advantage of the market, that I'm invested in the right areas, the right places. And if you watch my channel for a long time, you know what those assets are. Make sure you're subscribed because we talk about them every single day. But I'm not running for the hills. I'm not freaking out saying this is all over. I know assets are way down right now. And I know sometimes you just can't continue to DCA. All I'm telling you is, in my opinion, this is not the time to run. It is the time to lock in still. And 2025, at some point, we're going to have some breakthrough moments. We're just going through some growing pains. And you have to go through this. You have to be able to see the bigger picture. You can't look at this as on a short-term timeline. And many people are right now, and I think it's stemming, it's causing a lot of frustration. And it's causing a lot of panic selling. But don't get it twisted. Real retail isn't back yet. It's the same money reshuffling and recycling through meme coins. And the institutional side, while retail's on the sidelines, they're shaking them out and getting better positions and manipulating Bitcoin and scalp trading it. That's really at the crux of what's happening right now. That's my opinion. I know what you guys have been thinking, and I think you need to hear it. Like, this is my take. Now, if you guys do want to be ready for when the market does return to prominence, XT Algo, my trading indicator, will help you get there. It will help you know when the best times to get in and out of the market are. I'll walk you through how to use this. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee. You could try it risk-free for 30 days. I'll show you how to set up your own customized alerts. This is an unbelievable product. We spent a lot of time and money building this thing up back in August 2023, and it will help you really fire up this bull run. So there is a link down below. Use that discount code X to get 22% off. And I appreciate you all for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on anything we put out here on the channel. And we'll see you guys in the next one.